Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve calls not working on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve calls not working on Telegram, we should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Telegram app, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click first stop and you can click storage as you see. Then you can click clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.